Welcome to another remarkable project by Insight Automations. Nestled in the heart of Bengaluru, we've just completed the installation of a premium aluminum louvered roof system on this elegant rooftop space. This smart roofing solution is designed to adapt, with adjustable louvers that rotate effortlessly to control sunlight, shade, and airflow, all with the touch of a remote or mobile app. Built with high-grade, weather-resistant powder-coated aluminum, this structure not only enhances the aesthetics of the space, but also provides all-weather protection, be it scorching summer heat, heavy rains, or cool evening breezes. Whether it's a relaxing family evening or hosting a stylish rooftop gathering, this automated pergola roof transforms the space into a functional and luxurious outdoor living area. If you're planning to redefine your terrace or open space, get in touch with Insight Automations, where technology meets timeless design, built to last a lifetime. Our dedicated sales and service team is available across South India, ensuring quick response and seamless support wherever you are.